If you've ever craved ice cream late at night, but didn't want to order out, or worse, found nothing in your freezer, you know how annoying that is. And even when you do buy ice cream, you're stuck with one flavor, one portion, and usually way more sugar than you wanted. That's exactly the problem the Dash My Mug ice cream maker is trying to solve. This is a compact, single-serve ice cream maker designed for people who want quick, customizable frozen treats at home without the hassle of a full-size machine. It's especially appealing if you live in a small space, want portion control, or just like experimenting with your own flavors. Right away, the design makes it clear this isn't your typical bulky appliance. It looks more like a large mug than a machine, and that's intentional. The aqua color gives it a fun, almost playful vibe, and it doesn't feel intimidating sitting on your counter. The build is mostly plastic, but it feels sturdy enough for regular use. The real star is the freezable base, which acts as the cooling system. It's thick, solid, and designed to hold cold for long enough to churn your dessert properly. You also get 2 bowls, which are actually more useful than it sounds because it lets you prep ahead or make back-to-back servings without waiting. Using it is refreshingly simple, and that's honestly one of its biggest strengths. You freeze the base ahead of time, add your ingredients, press a button, and let it churn. There's no complicated setup, no confusing controls, and no steep learning curve. It feels approachable, even if you've never made ice cream before. The mix-in chute on top is a small but thoughtful detail, letting you add chocolate chips, fruits, or nuts while it's running without making a mess. In real-life use, it delivers pretty well on its promise. Within about 20 minutes, you get a soft-serve style texture that's creamy and satisfying. It's not the same as store-bought ice cream straight out of the freezer, but that's kind of the point. You're getting something fresher, and you can control the ingredients completely. Want less sugar? Dairy-free? High protein? You can do that here without any extra effort. The noise level is minimal, closer to a quiet kitchen gadget than a full appliance, so you can run it without it taking over the room. Cleanup is also straightforward. Since the parts come apart easily and there aren't too many components, rinsing everything takes just a couple of minutes. It's the kind of product you'll actually use regularly because it doesn't feel like a chore to set up or clean. That said, there are some limitations you should know about. This is strictly a single-serving machine, so if you're planning to make dessert for a group, it's not the most practical option unless you're okay with making multiple batches. Also, because the base needs to be frozen in advance, it requires a bit of planning. If you forget to freeze it, you're not making ice cream that day. And while the texture is great for soft serve, if you prefer harder, scoopable ice cream, you'll need to freeze it a bit longer after churning. Compared to other ice cream makers in this price range, the Dash My Mug stands out for its simplicity and size. Larger machines offer more capacity and sometimes slightly better texture control, but they take up more space and often require more effort. On the other hand, cheaper manual options can feel inconsistent and less convenient. This sits right in the middle. It's easy, reliable, and designed for everyday use rather than occasional batches. So who is this really for? If you're someone who enjoys quick desserts, likes experimenting with flavors, or want a healthier alternative to store-bought ice cream, this makes a lot of sense. It's also great for students, small households, or anyone with limited kitchen space. But if you need to serve multiple people at once or want a fully traditional ice cream texture every time, you might want to look at larger machines. At the end of the day, this is one of those small appliances that fits nicely into your routine without overcomplicating things. It solves a very specific problem, quick, customizable frozen treats, and does it in a genuinely convenient way. If that sounds like something you'd use, check the link in the description to see the latest price and availability. And if you found this helpful, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.